Welcome friends on YouTube channel Knowledge City with Guruji. Now let's start our today's topic. Today's topic is understanding quadrilateral for class 8. Meaning of polygons, convex and concave polygon. Second, interior angles and exterior angle. Third, the diagonals.
Hello students, how are you? You are enjoying the video lectures? Student, today we will discuss a new topic, understanding a quadrilaters. वैसे प्रीवियस क्लासेस में हमने स्टडी किया है, कुछ आपको नॉलेज है इसका क्वाड्रिलेटर. ओके, बिफोर द अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटर वी विल डिस्कस टर्म पॉलीगन्स. पॉलीगन्स रिमेंबर, कुछ याद है आप लोगों को? पॉलीगन्स, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पॉलीगन्स? पॉलीगन्स का सिंपल सा बाइफर्केशन है. पॉली मीन्स मैनी, मैनी बहुत सारी, और गन्स मीन्स साइड्स. सो अ क्लोज फिगर इज मेड अप ऑफ मैनी साइड्स. कोई भी क्लोज फिगर जो बहुत सारी साइड से मिलकर बना है, इट इज अ पॉलीगन. पॉलीगन, वी कैन राइट एनी फिगर विच इज मेड अप ऑफ अ मैनी साइड. These are the some examples of a polygon. So always remember, a figure made by the many sides, a closed figure made by the many sides is called the polygon. I am saying here closed figure. Closed figure means suppose you make a figure like that, it is not a polygon. Polygon should be closed. वो आपका क्या होना चाहिए? सारी sides end to end connect होनी चाहिए, वो figure close होना चाहिए. So it is called the polygons. Okay, so polygons have the different name according to their number of sides. As the number of sides, we will say their different name. First, suppose for a 3 sides. So what is the name of 3 side shape? सभी को पता है, that is a triangle. ठीक है, tri means 3 angles और sides. ठीक है, triangle. If we have 4 sides, अगर उसमें कितनी sides है? 4 sides, so it is called the क्वाड्रिलेटरल, जो हमको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करना है. द 5 साइड्स, अगर उसमें कितनी साइड्स हैं? 5 साइड्स, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द पेंटागन्स. पेंटागोनल या पेंटागन. इफ इट हैज 6 साइड्स, अगर उसमें 6 साइड्स हैं, तो इट इज कॉल्ड द हेक्सागन. हेक्सा मीन्स 6 साइड्स. सिमिलरली ऐसे हेप्टागन, ऑक्टागन, नैनोगन, डेकागन, ऐसे नंबर ऑफ साइड्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसके नेम क्या है, चेंज हो जाते हैं. तो जनरली वी हैव जनरल यूज द क्वाड्रिलेटर्स फॉर 4 साइड्स, और इसको हमें यहाँ पे डीपली स्टडी करना है. ओके, सो द पॉलीगन्स इज closed figure made by the many sides is called the polygon. And how many types of polygon? There are basically two types. Two types of the polygon. First is here the concave, and second is here convex. Remember, कहीं ना आपने वर्ड सुना है ये? So concave polygon and convex polygon. Convex polygon is a polygon which having all the interior angle lesser than the 180. All the interior angles lesser than the 180 are called the convex polygon. It means all the vertex are outward. For example, suppose a triangle. In this triangle, this all interior angle, ये जो अंदर जो angles हैं, these angles are lesser than the 180. वो 180 से क्या होंगे? lesser होंगे. For suppose more example like that. So these angles are lesser than the 180. ये सभी angles 180 से lesser है. And vertex is outward. सारे vertex क्या है? बाहर की तरफ है, outward है. Suppose we have given a figure like that. ऐसे कोई figure given है. So in this case that angle is more than 180. ये 180 से greater है, 180 से ज़्यादा है. So it is not a convex polygon. It is a concave polygon. ओके, एंड हियर दैट वर्टेक्स इज इनवर्ट. ये जो वर्टेक्स है वो अंदर की तरफ है, फिगर के अंदर है, बाहर नहीं है. सो दैट दिस शेप इज कॉल्ड द कॉनकेव एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड द convex polygon. Understand? So there is a basic difference. Convex polygon is polygon having the all interior angle lesser than a 180. उन समय सारे इंटीरियर एंगल के कितनी भी साइड्स हो, सभी एंगल्स क्या होंगे? 180 से लेसर होंगे. एंड पॉइंट्स आर आउटवर्ड, और पॉइंट्स क्या होंगे? बाहर की तरफ होंगे. While concave polygon, points are the inward, but any one angle may be more than a 180. One more example, suppose we have given a polygon like that. So now this angle is more than a 180. So it is the example of concave and these are the example of convex. Is it clear? So these are the two type of the polygons, concave polygon and convex polygon. Okay. Now next topic is the diagonals. Diagonals are a straight line which joins the any two non-adjacent vertex of a polygon. It is your shape, it is a quadrilateral having the name ABCD. If we join the non-adjacent vertex, अब non-adjacent, what's the meaning of adjacent and non-adjacent? Adjacent means the neighbor vertex or the sides. Any two point or lines which have the common between them. Suppose A and B have the common side AB. A का neighbors, in a simple language we can say the neighbor of A is called the adjacent. A का neighbor B और D दोनों है. So B and D are the adjacent. वो उसके neighbor elements है. Similarly B the neighbor is A and the C. It is the adjacent. Okay. So adjacent means the adjacent vertex is the vertex who have the common sides. B के साथ में AB and BC दोनों क्या common sides है. तो these are the adjacent. और simple language में मैं कहता हूँ neighbor elements. Okay. So A का adjacent B और D को छोड़कर non adjacent it means C. So if we join the C, so that is called the diagonal. Similarly, if we join the B to D, it is called the diagonal. The BD and AC are the diagonal is here. Okay. So suppose in a triangle ABC, whose are the non-adjacent of A? A का non-adjacent कौन है? A का neighbor B भी है, A का neighbor C भी है. So there is no non-adjacent. Non-adjacent point यहाँ पर available नहीं है. So it have the zero diagonal. Triangle में कोई भी diagonal नहीं होता. Okay. Suppose we make a pentagon. PQRST. So non-adjacent with respect to P के respect में non-adjacent उसके जो पड़ोसी नहीं है. Q and T तो पड़ोसी है P के. So we will say here PR and PS. It is the diagonal. So PS and QS and Q2. It is a diagonal. RP and RT is a diagonal. And SP and SQ already we have made. So here how many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonals we have here. Okay, understand? So diagonal is a straight line who joins the non-adjacent points of a polygon. Polygon के जो non-adjacent points हैं उन lines को क्या बोल रहे हैं? उनको join करने वाले line को बोल रहे हैं हम diagonals बोल रहे हैं. Is it clear? So अब second point आता है कि how many diagonals are possible in a polygon? जैसे कि triangle में 0 है, एक भी नहीं है. Quadrilateral में 2 है, पेंटागन में 5 है. सो यहाँ पे कोई नेम के अकॉर्डिंग हम उनको क्लासीफाई नहीं कर सकते, फाइंड नहीं कर सकते कि कितने डायगोनल्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. Okay, so we have here formula to find the number of diagonals in any polygon. Okay, so we will write here the formula to find the number of diagonals. Remember student, this is a very important formula. Number of diagonals, that will be equal to n minus 3 upon 2. Learn this formula and set in your mind here. n minus 3 upon 2, n is equals to number of sides. Number of the sides in a polygon. Polygon में जितनी sides है that is given by the n. For example, triangle की बात करते हैं हम. अगर जैसे अभी मैंने देखा था 0 थे. Triangle has how many sides? 0 side. 3 sides. Sorry, 3 sides. So we'll say here 3 into 3 minus 3 upon 2. 3 minus 3 is 0 or any number multiply divided by 0 becomes a 0. So there are 0 diagonal in a triangle. Okay. Quadrilateral. How many sides in quadrilateral? 4 sides. So we will check here 4 minus 3 upon 2. 2 to 4 divide, remaining here 2. So 2 diagonals present in a quadrilateral. Pentagon. Pentagon, how many sides of pentagon? 5. 5 minus 3 upon 2. So 5 minus 3, 2. 2 and 2 cut, remaining 5. So 5 diagonals are present in a pentagon. So it is a very important formula to learn you. n minus 3 upon 2, number of diagonals present in any polygon. Now student, we will discuss the next property of quadrilaters या polygons, the angle sum property of polygons. The polygons, as we have discussed, they are like just like a shape. It is your polygon. Okay. So there are the two types of angle present in a polygon. First, interior angle, जो polygons के अंदर बन रहे हैं, close sides के interior side में अंदर बन रहे हैं. So these are the interior angle. And second, the exterior angle. Exterior, it means when we produce a line straight outward, किसी भी sides को outward produce करने पर, that will form a angle with other side. It is called the exterior angle. So there are two type of angle, interior angle and second the exterior angle. Okay, interior angle and the exterior angle. So there are different property for the both. दोनों के लिए अलग property. The first we discuss the interior angle of a triangle or polygons. Okay. So interior angles of a polygon. So first of all, we should clear the number of angles and the number of sides are always equal in any polygon. किसी polygon में number of sides और number of angles दोनों equal होते हैं. For example, triangle has the 3 sides, so number of angles also 3. Quadrilateral has 4 sides, so number of angles 4. Pentagon has the 5 sides, so number of angles are 5. Okay, so we write here the sum of interior angles of a polygon is represented by n minus 2 into 180. The n minus 2 into 180 is the formula to find out the sum of interior angle of any polygon. In some different books, you can also see in here the n minus 2 into 2 right angle. So 2 right angle means right angle of 90 degree, so 90 into 2 180, it will be same. दोनों same method है, same formula है, लिखने का method, represent करने का method क्या है, different है. So generally we will write here n minus 2 into 180. It is a formula to find the sum of interior angle of any polygon. For example, the triangle. How many sides in a triangle? कितनी sides है triangle में? 3 sides. n equal to 2. So what will be sum of angle? Sum of angle, ऐसा तो आपको लर्न है सभी को, 3 minus 2 into 180, it is a 180 degree. Okay, suppose for a pentagon, so how many sides in a pentagon? Pentagon में कितनी sides है? 5. So we will say here the sum of angle 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 3 into 180, that is a 540 degree. So that is a formula to find the interior angle, the total sum of interior angle of polygon is of n minus 2 into 180. Remember, understand? Now student, second types of angle is the exterior angle. Exterior angle, the angle which is made outside the any polygon. For example, like a triangle, if we produce any one side outward straight, हमने किसी भी एक साइड को स्ट्रेट प्रोड्यूस किया, so that angle which is outside the figure, जो फिगर के बाहर बन रहा है, that is called the exterior angle. Okay, so suppose it is a quadrilateral. So in this quadrilateral, if we produce any one side, हमने इस साइड को आगे प्रोड्यूस किया, so that angle is called the exterior angle. So angle which made outside the figure, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, in any polygon, if we form the angle outward the polygon, it is called the exterior angle. So here the simplest concept of exterior angle, the sum of exterior angle is always constant, that is a 360 degree. For any polygon, whether it is a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, कोई सा भी polygon हो, उन सभी में exterior angle का सम remains the 360 degree. ठीक है? In a triangle, how many exterior angle? 1, 2, 3. So the sum of all 3 angles, इन तीनों angle का सम कितना रहेगा? 360. Similar in a quadrilateral, if we say there are 1 2 3 4 exterior angles, so sum of the 4 exterior angles is also the 360. Okay, so all the exterior angles have the sum 360 degree for any polygon. There are no difference in a exterior angle. Like interior angle में difference था, हर interior different polygons का sum of interior angle different था, ठीक है, but exterior angle सबका same रहेगा 360 degree. Okay, so for respect to regular polygon, अगर हम बात करते हैं regular polygon के लिए, ठीक है, regular polygon, तो regular polygon का मीन्स क्या था? All the sides are equal and all angles are equal. All the sides are equal and all angles are equal for the regular polygon. So in the case of regular polygon, we will find the value of each exterior angle is equals to 360 upon n. n is what? n हमको पता है कि हम डिस्कस किया, n is the number of साइड्स. उस पॉलीगन में कितनी साइड्स है, दैट इज द n. सो अगर हमको फाइंड करना है कि एक पॉलीगन का एक्सटीरियर एंगल कितना है रेगुलर पॉलीगन का, तो 360 डिवाइड बाय द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स, उस पॉलीगन की कितनी साइड्स है हम उसे डिवाइड कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल पेंटागन, हम बात करते हैं पेंटागन. पेंटागन तो n द वैल्यू बिकम्स द 5. पेंटागन में 5 साइड्स होगी. सो हियर ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल becomes 360 upon 5. ओके, 360 upon 5. 360 में 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. इट विल बी हेयर 72 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉइंट पेंटागन इज 72 डिग्री. So now you can start your exercise and assignment. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment box and WhatsApp on the given number. Okay.